Welcome back to Build with Disciplines. In this video, we will see more comments regarding the Git, so you will get more understanding what is Git and how to create the branches, delete the branches, how we can switch to the branches. So in this video, we will see about the more branching and deleting the branches and exchanging the branches. So I will give the more clarification why I did not teach in the previous video regarding this command. So if I teach there, the video length will be more, so that's why I planned a different video. And in the previous video I said that we will see in the UI how we will do. So after this video I plan to do UI part. If still any more comments will be there, if the video will be becomes lengthy, then I will try to do complete all the commands in this video. If all commands will completed, then I will plan different video for UI. So in this video we will see the commands. So I thought you guys are seeing here one file, so we will in this video we will try to create the more files and do the stuff. So mostly I will taught you in this video regarding the branches, how you can work in the branches. So we are currently in the master branch. I think you are seeing we are in the currently in the master branch. So how we can rename a branch? So for that, git branch, whatever the saying you are here, git branch hyphen m, like what, here we are currently in the master branch. So if you want in what name, for what name you want, so you can type that. So you can type main, so the this master branch will rename to main. See, now this was renamed to main branch. So now currently we are in the main branch. So how we can create another branch? So when we are creating a different branch, from this branch, whatever we have the code, that will be comes to the what we have created. Now we will see. Suppose we have this code when we created. So why, what is the importance of this brand? Like suppose you have the different futures, you have to work on your project. So what you will do, you will create the branches and you will going to work on that future on a particular branch. So after completing of that particular future, so you will be merge that code into the main branch, and afterwards if you want you can delete the whatever you have worked the previous. I will give the simple example. Suppose you are going to developing the footer. So what you will do? You will take the footer branch from the main branch. So there you are creating the branch from the main branch. Means whatever the code you have in the main branch, you will get the code of the main branch of the footer branch. So with that the main code you are going to creating the whatever you want the future, like suppose footer. So you want to implement the footer functionality. So with the footer branch you are going to implement the footer functionality. So now we will create in a different branch, and after that if you done footer, then you want to implement another future FAQ section. So what you will do, whatever you have done the footer functionality in footer branch, that code will be merged into main. After that you are going to creating the another branch which is an FAQ. In that FAQ branch you will have the code, whatever you have the main code. Then after by taking that main code you are going to implementing the FAQ section. So like that you are going to create the different branches. Now we will see how to create the branch. Git branch, whatever name you want you can give that name. So I'm giving FAQ. So now FAQ was created. So you have a doubt. So now we are creating a FAQ branch, but still we are in a main branch. So how like I will give tell the command git branch. Now you will get the things clearly. Git branch, enter. Now you can see, like, you have currently two branches, main branch and FAQ branch. Whatever this star will be there, you are at this branch, means you are currently in the main branch. So you create this FAQ, but you are not into that FAQ. So how you can switch into FAQ branch? So git checkout, whatever the branch name is there, that branch name, means now we are switched to FAQ branch. So we are in a FAQ branch. If you want to clarify you are in a which branch, for that type git branch, enter. See, now we are in a FAQ branch. So in this FAQ, whatever we have the in main code, in main branch, that code came to here. So we will add something. uh, FA, we will add, this is FAQ branch. So now what we will do, we will create another branch. Now you will get the understanding. We will create one more branch, FAQ2 branch. In that FAQ2 branch you will get this code, not the main code. Like in the main branch code, we have only, we don't have this line in main branch. In FAQ branch only we have this line. This is a FAQ branch. So when we created a FAQ2 branch, from the FAQ we will get this all FAQ branch, means from where you are creating the branch, so that complete code will be comes into new branch. So that is my main motto, what I want to convey. So you don't want to individually create and check out. So at the same time you want to create a new branch and you want to check out, I mean check out means you want to you want to go to that branch. So in a one command we can do that. For that, git checkout hyphen b FAQ2. Now we will see, we don't have previously FAQ2 branch, but we created FAQ2 branch and we switched into FAQ2 branch. So within one command we done the two things, we created a branch and we switched into FAQ2 branch. I think this was clear. So what we will do, see, now in this branch we are this is a FAQ line branch. This line was came because whatever we have in FAQ branch, we got that code. Why FAQ branch code only got? Because FAQ2 branch was created from the FAQ. So that's why FAQ completely code came into FAQ2. Now what we will do? How we can delete a branch? So I worked. I done my complete FAQ future. So I want to delete that branch. So at that time, how I can delete that branch? So now you guys see here, like how many branches we have. Like if you want to see how many branches are there and in which branch you are currently, so at that time enter git branch. So we have three branches. Now we are currently in a FAQ2 branch. So whatever I'm teaching is, this is completely in git. We are not went to into GitHub. In upcoming videos I will completely discuss about the GitHub and how we can link this Git into GitHub platform. So I will give all the details in a further videos. So now we will delete the FAQ. So we don't want that branch. So at that time, git branch hyphen d branch name, like which branch you want to delete. I want to delete FAQ. See, now deleted branch. Now FAQ deleted. So enter. See, you are going to see here. Now we will do one thing. We want to delete FAQ2 branch. Okay. Mm. uh, so we don't want to delete again another branch. I think this was clear to you. One more command still is there. We will git log. So what is the use of this git log? So git log will gives the complete commit history. So in the previous video, so we done one commit. So that was added index.html. So that this is the commit it is showing. So the commit name, and when we was done, this was the time and the author name. So this is the unique id of the every commit. So you can copy this id and you can use the checkout git checkout. If you can git checkout, and if you copy paste that id, you can go to that particular commit also. If you want, I will show to you git checkout nothing but uh, we are moving to another branch, or like whatever if you paste the commit id, we are going to that particular commit. So whatever we are seeing here, so we are at this commit, so it is showing like we are currently like head was detached. Oh, it is showing, and we are into the this particular id commit. I hope this video gave some more what knowledge of the git and git commands. If you feel this content was helpful, please subscribe to channel and press this bell icon. You will get the notification and when I uploaded the new video. Smash that like button, and you're always to welcome the comment below the video. So if you have any doubts, please comment in the below video. And if in your circle or friends who require this you who want this kind of knowledge, share to them. And thank you for your time, and thank you for watching.